just a lion wicked.
Pamela, you tell me Pamela. Vanny, you never come to me other day, come ask me for the lash them. So what are you talking about me? What are you talking about me? Saying when me come and chat Jada with you and tell us
we're gonna win everything.
Vanny,
you want to talk first? You're
not in my fucking close friend.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat and can see. Pan on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, it's not a good look, you know. All heap of things is getting Lego from out the Ivany mode because intended beauty kinda did her wrong. You see me, I say, one bag of thing over GLE, you know, the Mercedes Benz and lashes. You see me, I say, I know Ivany I got a bag of secrets or intended beauty over the search at Jada Kingdom and Rich Rush and all of these people, Marky and all type of scamming stuff. Put in the comment section what you think about that because, boy, it's a lot, you know. This is what I say. So, enough of me talking, people. Let's hear what I go on from that to go on and we proceed with the next.
She blocked me from the live. That's what people tell me, that she leaked my address. No, she did because I seen some of it. And me keep on a text her. I say, Vanny, when you come back, I'll do your lashes for free. Anybody a lash tech no say. You can't just do lashes, pick off your lashes them and then come back, come do another set. I'm not going to put the lashes on your lid. And that's what I told her. Well, me don't know. She blocked me from the live, so me don't know if I true what them man talk say. She didn't. So, okay, when the Telegram group come and ask me, it's a Telegram group I'm there for a long time. Long time. Then we come and ask me one and two things in there. Sorry, no? Ask me one and two things in there. And then we come to me about the whole Vanny something and say, why you stop the Vanny lashes? They even came and asked me if I was pregnant because Vanny say our lash tech pregnant and them are one day for me because obviously everybody knows say me a Vanny lash tech. So me I say, no, I don't mean she a talk about. And so you wouldn't know about the GLE. You wouldn't know about the GLE. So I'm if a bad man if a GLE and me I drive long time, girl. Me I drive Benz from Jamaica and BMW from Jamaica. So I'm if a bad man if a GLE.
Me we talk about the lash and then we can reach there because you said start from. In 10, me not text you about me lash. And say you do me lash and one stick down so one stick out. You say fine. You're going to do it the next day. You text me the next day and say if me still a come. Me tell us I'm up on my way. You tell me say 11 o'clock. Me don't admit say yes. Me always late for come do me lash.
Yes, 100%.
Always late. My girl, if me late for do me lash, there's two things to it. Cancel my appointment or give me a late fee. Simple. You know if you have me up because me late. Me admit say yeah, me always late.
Vanny, I don't pay alone lash tech. Me have other people.
As a lash tech, if you're realizing that everybody gives somebody a grace period, 10 minutes late or 15 minutes late.
15 minutes is grace period. Vanny, you're normally 2-3 hours late.
I am saying,
lash tech come 5.
You come 5, girl. You know make me talk. Lash tech give people 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then if you're seeing 15 minutes come, cancel me appointment. Cancel it. Or you tell me say you're going to give me a late fee. Why you taught me in a Telegram group and you never yet speak to me about
they came to me, and if nobody there on the Telegram group right here, so anybody will tell her that, tell them to come and ask
but
the question
it is
that they
here in the voice note that you
and I
said.
told you, I responded, I'm a seminar do back your lashes. Other day when you asked me if you do back
your
lashes.
But you not do my lash and me not come to
why you come to me other day for do your lash then?
Make we talk about it. Make we talk about it because the proofs are here.
So why you come back to me other day for
no, because you're lying. Let's talk. I didn't come back to you, girl.
Oh, you want me to go back in your message and
I didn't come back to you. You didn't tell me not to come back to you. Chat, this is how it go. Make we talk about it. When we
but I say the last time you check and you not come back to me. Vanny, you asked me 2 weeks ago to do your lashes. And I responded to you and say, okay.
In time, make we talk about it, go down. I ask you, you say me for come back, to come fix the lash. Maybe I run late. Me tell us I go turn back because you say I have somebody for do 1 p.m.
Yeah, can me tell us if you come live when you go 12 o'clock.
Okay,
if me have somebody else.
Alright, fine. You're up in your feelings because you don't do lash good. You can't do lash good. You do me lash fuck up, so you're supposed to up in your feelings.
You want to come back, you come back all the time.
You come to do me lash because you do it fuck up, so as a client client, you're entitled to do it
Atlanta,
back.
there enough lash take
You're
there.
entitled to do it back. As a person who always late,
I'm not entitled to nobody.
We have my money. All I do is give me a late fee because I never yet beg you for do my lash. Me never ask you down for your price. I always pay my money. So all you have to do was put on a late fee or cancel. Me tell you say me I go turn back because it don't make no sense because my appointment was level. And you have somebody to do what one. If me for come, it'll go be over the time. Fine, understood. I'm going to turn back. Me turn back, whatever. Me reach a me yard. Me ask if you text me and say,
Exactly.
are you
If you don't do lash good, why you keep coming
you
back?
text me. That's the first time you never do my lash good that day, and that is the reason why I texted to come and fix my lash. What are you talking about? You do my
I didn't
lash
have a
up
problem
and
to
I
fix
asked
your
you
lash.
to
How
fix
many
the
times
lash.
I told you to come back?
You asked me to fix the lash.
But when I was doing your lashes, Vani, what did I say to you? Me over your arm and say, Vani.
After that, we not hear what she say. No, she mute herself. We not hear what she say. We not hear what she say. After that, guys. After that, she text her and say, "Are you up? Me I come." She say, "Yeah, me can come." Me don't know something must catch me. Me that cuss off the boy up on the internet. Too much that go. I could get figure do me lash. Me tell her, I say, listen, me go pop them off and me gonna put on my strip lash. Da. She text me and say, you still have on your lash them because you da go fill them. Me did already pop them up.
No. Let me correct you right there. I asked you that question because me have other appointments. So instead, the time when me want to figure, if me will give you one time to fill Vani, I can fill you in 40 minutes, 1 hour. If me go do a full set, me gonna need to give you a 2-hour time base. You don't know nothing about that, girl. Which you never reach in time. So me up here make time for what me I do.
Never say no, girl. What you're saying, I mean, sense. Cause me never say this. Me never say that. You ask me if me still have on my lash. Me say no. You tell me, say, Vani, you can't go do them because I pick them up. I need to buy serum and I need to come back to you on the 22nd for do my lash. Me reply and I say, okay, fine. Me buy the serum and I'm going to put them on. And that's
what me I tell you, say me never they chat the girl in a no telegram group. Somebody came and asked me a question. And then I say, Vani over, which and I first person come to me. And I first person, go ahead.
She know what we talk because she know she wrong. She know what we have a conversation.
Wrong?
She listen to comments, you try draw from the conversation.
No, anyway, that's not me.
Because if you want to talk for the people them here, you would have stopped. Listen to the people them where you talk foolishly.
Alright, go on, talk.
Because about now, and she said, come back the 22. Me agree, say, alright, me will come back the 22 for do me lash. Something come up, and me have to go out. Me don't know how intense she is. She said she go do your lash that day that she go do your lash because me eye them pick out. Me go so back now. Me Google one girl, me find somebody where to do me lash. The girl do me lash, me go about my business. Bear in mind, the woman take me come back there's two times, she'll give me them free. Me go back the second time, she do me lash free. Me go back the third time, she do me lash free. I think me did text her again that I intend and ask her, say when me can come do me lash. Am I wrong to text this lady and ask her when me can do me lash? Or because me go to somebody else for do me lash again? Not disrespect, never in that. You could have said simple tell me how you feel, say Vani, as a person we're cool with you should have did wait for me. And I like say, and the only reason why I post the girl because the girl do me lash them for free.
Vani, I never had no problem with you going to another lash clinic. That's not me. I don't care. Me always find hairdresser up here. Me always find hairdresser and them something they do. So when me have a problem.
Alright then, fine. Alright, fine, chat. After me do me lash them, me never go back to she. Me go do me lash them somewhere else. Me end up text her back because all in my mind, me and Adrian cool. So I say, alright, me text her back for do me lash. Me don't remember what she said. You remember what you said about the lash? Me end up go back at the other lady. After that I'm done, everything done. Me know say something wrong because me see Adrian text me. One time she replied to me when she replied about my nails, them say, no Vanya. I say, oh, you know, like my nails or something. She not really text me no more. So me kind of know say something wrong, but me just couldn't put my finger upon it. Me not really text Adrian either. She not text me back, fine, it done. One day somebody come on my page and keep on and say, Ivan, Adrian chat boy in a group. Me block them. I over 10 somebody me block me and say, on stop trifle, make me and the girl that things me and her not have nothing because really and truly, me no know say me and her have nothing. One girl comment on the live now and say, Adrian in a group, I chat you. And I say, no man, when I look on the page is a real page. So that's when I text her and I say, Adrian, why everybody keep on a comment on the live? I say that. She text me back and say, that's when everybody be sending her to say me I talk about the lash Eva Taja no. When you say Eva Taja no, that means
no, that's not what I meant when I said Taya.
Alright.
To them, me a Taya reason. So when I said that, me mean call Taya and then you hear all the whole thing go.
Alright then, alright. You said that then. Alright, fine. Guys, me I'm gonna listen this where I want girl tell me to go up on urban page. Bear in mind, me never get forgot about go do my lash because me could wait on this 20 seconds for do my lash because I want to go about my business. You know, text them back, me text them back, me go on different lash tech. Me never have a problem. I've never disrespect you. Only if you come hear the words where you say, listen what intent I say.
As friends, we cool. And all of that. But I decided not to do that Vanny lashes because Vanny always a pick out her lashes them. And when she comes, she have some big gap and space. And Vanny want to do the most for her lashes them. And she cannot get that look. So she did come for her birthday and she never get the look what she want because I don't tell her, you pick out your lashes them, your two lash are gonna be different. She go on the internet. She did up on her live and people them, your two lash are gonna be different. She go on the internet. She did up on her live and people ask me say what did the Vanny lashes them. I tell her how much time to come fix them. First of all, when Vanny book her appointment them, Vanny don't want to come. If you tell her 1 o'clock, Vanny will come 4 o'clock. Like, I don't be sitting down here not doing anything. I got shit to do.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, she texted me about last week and asked me to do her lashes them. I said, okay.
You could have simply said to me as a friend, say, Vanny.
But Vanny, that's all let me chat you or that's all let me answer a question. Which one? That's all let me chat you?
No, we're not finished, baby. You just
that's all let me chat you?
No, it's not finished yet. I'm gonna play, but I'm just saying because you bought me out there, so now me have to bought mine too. You say, okay, fine. If you feel like you don't need to wait for me, as two persons, I've never disrespect you in no form of way, never try to put you in a drama. You could have at least said to me, say, Vanny, this is my business. Me not gonna mix business with friendship. You keep on a come to my place late and me can't accept that. It's either you gonna start come on time or me have to go charge you a late fee. All you had to do was come up front with me and say that rather than being in a one group and a talk about me, hear the rest of something where you're going to say about me and somebody when I diss you.
I'm just not going to do that Vanny lashes. Me can't take the energy. Me can't, like, you know, Vanny can't see him. I'm not depend that social media. So
everybody knows you can't see him, Vanny.
That's fine. Mind you.
Who do you not come for? Who do you not come for on the internet?
Hold on, let the people them hear. Why are you trying to not let the people them hear? So you never know, so me can't see
them can go over Urbana page, go hear it, you know, Dede.
You sound guilty. We want to hear it.
Vanny, I told you, I said,
let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Like, you have to just find somebody else, and that's fine. Mind you, why you asked me to do your lashes them last week when after you never come back for your birthday to come redo your lashes them, which I offer you to do them for free. You never come back with you, Ghana other lash take about 3 times after that. Why do you think if you come back to me, you know? Me and Vanny was never.
So you never know, so me can't tell when you left Nara for sleep on me yard.
You said, how many times Ice been at my house?
You never know, said dirty, stinking girl. You never know, so me can't tell when you left your picnic. I'm a blood clot, you dog shit.
How many times?
Oh, you left your picnic and you have to sleep.
You need to go back our fantasy box and clean up your done work. Your mother dirty.
Nasty girl, go suck your mother. Oh, you're not blood clot, trust me, dirty shit house. You not trust me, but you left so good, Nara. Vanny should have said, hey, girl, me I get heated in this blood clot, you know. You're not blood clot, trust me, I can't tame. You left your picnic 2 nights for sleep, yeah. You left your picnic 2 nights for sleep on my blood clot yard. You not afraid me do her something? You not afraid something go wrong with her, yeah? I slip my mouth slip, guys. You know, say, you left your picnic in us. Me not left Ice no when I feel like him not safe. Me left Ice with you the one time because I know Ice I go safe run you, which I thought he was gonna safe run you. When my blood clot go on social media, me have to go on and see Nara take ear oil and peek it all over my picnic blood clot for your so good girl. I me never come on the internet come talk about it. Deep down of my cry. I call love on the phone a ball. And I say, love, you know, see all me left Ice up at intent. And only if you see Nara cake off Ice face with Vaseline. It could have been bleach. I could have bleached Nara throw up on my son. It could have been hot aisle. It could have been blood clot alcohol him throw and burn up in my eye. Him could have throw anything for my son. You have to use that time you sleep on my death. I mean, when nobody come tell me about a picnic, because when blood clot Nara there, and Ice lick Nara, me boof down Ice for Nara. Me no run picnic joke. When Nara there, me watch Nara like I watch Nara more than me watch blood clot Ice. Nara can't hungry. A mosquito can't bite Nara. As me hear Nara ball, me run come look. Me treat Nara so good. I me left my picnic with you. Only if you come on the media, come say, be a Vaseline cake off. And then, so good people are going to tell me say they are kids. So if Nara the blood clot take up, want bleach and throw it for my son and burn out him yeah and him drink it and him dead. You gonna tell me I just kids? Don't collect my pitney for keep him if you can't watch him. You think you can send a pitney guy daycare and something about him up and them are gonna come tell us say it's just kids? You have to watch them are sue you. If you can't watch my son, don't keep him. And what hurt me is, you don't even send the video to me. You post the video on social media. I scroll media that for scroll and see on the media. So I'm putting full off an aisle. And then you post it on Instagram and you tag me. You do all of this before you come to me and say, boy, Ivany, look what Nara do. You post it on your Instagram and everybody take it down and I post it. I feel a way about it because I'm a son that. And for the fact that you allow your pitney to do them something when they're supposed to have an hype on them. Yeah, girl was stay in your bed and dip on phone and make Nara do anything what she want to do. They up there do my ear. Can't even do my ear because Nara does give Kai be talking. Alright. When Kai tell me, say, me ask Kai, say, Kai, you come do me ear? Kai text me, say, him flight cancel. This is what Intent Beauty text me back and say. Don't ramp up me, not tell no lie, I want to suck you, don't too terrible. You diss me, I'm not diss you. This was Wednesday, July 2. I text you and I say, Kai flight cancel. Him say, shit, me zoom it out a little. I say, Kai flight cancel. Him say, shake my head. You text him back and said, don't tell him I told you, but he never left JA. I saw the location on his phone. I'ma show you. And you send me the location where Kai there. With Jada Kingdom. You send me the location and say, don't tell him I told you, but he never left JA. I saw the location on his phone. I'ma show you. You show me, you say he's still at Jada house and he been there all day. Me turn to him and say, no, I know he was lying when said gonna be here 4 p.m. then said flight delay, but just no saying cancel. I'ma tell him just Apple Pay me. I go get someone here to do it tomorrow. You turn to me and say, me and him don't talk because of the ear thing and he did someone else that. I'ma say, no, Kai really been doing the most now. He gonna tell me, give him a second. He gonna see what he can do. Give him 1 hour. I'ma just ask for a refund because I know for sure he ain't taking no flight tonight. You turn and say, I smash up the phone. Yeah, tomorrow, I'ma say, you reply to me when I say he's really doing the most. And you say, he is not. He always do this shit me head. And then I start ask you, boy, if you know anybody for do me ear, You start tell me say, me mute you, Intend you walk and you chat you well like your friend them and I saw you there chat me in your Telegram group, girl. I saw you there chat me in your Telegram group. And after you tell me them something about after you tell me them something about Kai, me black Kai. Come here and say, no man, I saw Kai stay. You give me used wig. After me pay me good up $1,000 for do me ear, you give me used wig. And then you're supposed to come do me here 2 days after. And you tell me say, first you tell me say you're dep on the flight. Then you tell me say the flight get cancelled. Only if you Intent Beauty come tell me say a lie and just steal the back of Jada Kingdom. Done. I saw my black Kai, guys. I that make my black Kai off of my phone. And I say, you know what? Kai, if you own a friend I tell me that me black Kai, me not deal with Kai none at all. One next mix up where you try get me now. Me I show you a liar, you're wicked now. You remember the girl, what's your name? And you have to tell the people them how you chat something they like a dog. What the girl name and she a lesbian with Marky friend. I and the woman a friend. What's your name again? What the girl name on Instagram? That girl she Marky a friend. And she married to the bush. The Rush. You and Rush a friend and you chat Rush like dog. Enough time I come up on your salon. And me I go through TikTok and I say to you say, so you know say Rush and the wife of course. Why she a trouble the girl? Why the wife that are the ex-wife? Why the ex-wife a trouble Rush? And you tell me Savannah and listen to the internet and Rush are the troublemaker. You sister. You turn to me and Savannah, no make them tell you no, you don't know any internet or internet and Rush a trouble the girl. And you tell me say, me don't know the people them from now. Me only see them on the internet, me don't know them story. I TikTok me see Rush up, them a pass urban page. Me see Rush and one other woman we must be married. 2 of them married to the same man, a cuss. And me go and say, I see people them a cuss, because me know are your friend. And you turn to me and say, don't look on social media because that's just social media. That's a social media thing. And you say Rush I trouble the other wife for real. You tell me say every time when one of them anniversary or birthday come, Rush always I put up the other girl and a long time she want to take the girl man. And you tell me so. And you start telling me the story. And then I put in my little sense, say, then if the girl and the man did, the girl and the bush did it for true, and Rush was a flight agency or whatever she want be. And every time the bush come to her, tell her the problems them. And you and the girl a friend, and all of a sudden now you and the bush married. Yeah, that means you did want to take a girl man long time then. And that's some you start chat. And you tell me say, I Rush had the problem. I Rush always a pick trouble with the girl. Every time anniversary come, Rush put up the girl picture and I pick around the girl. And you and the people them a friend. And you sit down and you chat them. Yeah. Make we talk about the Rush sister now. We do me ear. You have one little girl that will do me ear. She girl can do ear good enough, but she take long in a people head. Sometimes I can't stand her. She take long. Alright. Oh, remember the story now. You see girl who used to do me ear, a Rush sister, you know. A Rush little sister. Right? The girl, Rush little sister will do me ear. I don't know if she ever take long or something. The last time I go down her house for do me ear. Like the woman, they want overcharge me. I mean, they must carry one closure wig down there. I got how the story go again. Like she could do maybe if you go down there with one frontal, I mean, I realize the wrong wig me pick up. Me pick up one closure wig. So the closure wig no look good because I want look a teapot at front. So the girl said to me, say, she'll turn it in a one side part. So she go and just carry it down look a bit more, and instead of put it in at the center, she'll turn it to the side and give me one side part. She goes back now and she turn it to the side. Remember, closure wig are just the front right there, so you glue on. It don't even have a little side them. I want to look something glue on. And when me ear done, the girl want charge me one whole $100 as if me they put on a front. I say, no. You didn't put a full wig on my head. You didn't bleach the wig. You didn't pluck the wig. You didn't do anything to the wig. All you did was turn the wig sideways over my head, you saw? It never. Like a over my ear, you saw? It never have no farmer glue. I show me Instagram delete. You know the one where
Put in the comment section where you think about that. As you know, there's a lot of stuff being said, you know, but me just didn't want to give this quick update while I go on for to go on and we're update to know on other platforms. So do the right thing and like, share, subscribe with the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.